In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print to PDF from Gmail. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click on the specific email conversation that you want to print. After opening the email, locate the Print All icon in the top right corner of the message. It looks like a small printer symbol. Click that icon and wait for the print preview window to load. When the preview appears, click the print icon again in the top right corner of the preview screen. This will open your browser's print dialog window. Inside the print window, locate the destination drop-down menu, click on it, and choose Print to PDF. On most Windows computers, this option is labeled Microsoft Print to PDF. On other systems, it may simply say Save as PDF. Next, review the available settings. You can choose which pages to print, such as all pages, odd pages only, even pages only, or set a custom range if needed. Adjust this according to your preference. Then check the color setting to decide whether you want the document in color or black and white. After that, review the paper size options from the drop-down menu. There are multiple sizes available, so select the one that fits your needs. You can also adjust the pages per sheet option if you want multiple pages combined into a single PDF page. If needed, you'll also see an option at the bottom to print using System Dialog for additional advanced settings. Once everything is set the way you want it, click the Print button. A file save window will appear. Choose the location on your computer where you want to save the PDF, give it a name, and confirm. You can try it now, and that is basically how you print to PDF from Gmail. Congratulations.